Does your hand shake before speaking? Do your throat gets dry as you speak with the audience? You are not alone in this journey. Even I have also been through this. But what if I tell you that your actual fear is not getting afraid of the audience, but judgment? What will people think about you if you do a mistake? Hi everyone, my name is Ishan Sengupta, and I am a certified public speaking coach. And today, in this video, I am going to help you to take away all your fear, or in fact your stage fear. I'll start this video with a beautiful quotation. Confidence is not about the absence of fear, it is the ability to perform despite it. In this video, I'm going to share 3 techniques which will help you to overcome stage fear. The first technique is never hide your fear. You should always be vocal and talk about your fear. A very good way of doing it is, suppose you are performing on stage and it is very natural that you forget your lines. That time, as a filler, you can use your own story from a fearful speaker to a fearless speaker. Second technique is anchor yourself physically. Your mind listens to your body, and when your mind slows down, your thoughts follows. You can definitely try some breathing techniques or deep belly breathing or even pranayams, which will help you to cool down your nerves, and once that happens, you can easily have a proper control over your audiences and your fear will just vanish. That brings me to the third point, and that is shift your focus from self to your audience. Many a times we think a lot about ourselves. How will the day go? Will I be able to do justice to the script? So instead, our thinking should be, how can I contribute to my audience? In which way I can deliver my script to the audience? In which way I can greet my audience? You cannot be nervous and helpful at the same time. If you have watched the video till here, now I'll be sharing some bonus tip. Number 1, take 3 deep breaths as you start your script. It will definitely help you to ease down your nerves. Number 2, smile and tell internally that it is not about me, it is about them. You should remember that you are not performing, you are about connecting with your audiences. And when it comes to connecting, it definitely happens without fear. I'll end this video with a very important message. Fear is natural, but when fear has some purpose, it becomes powerful. So the next time you feel nervous, try to smile. It actually means you care. If you find this video interesting and helpful, I want you to share this video with your near and dear ones who actually is trying to overcome stage fear. Thank you so very much. Until that time, see you.